Take a look at this channel that was created less than 3 months ago, with only 39 videos uploaded. The channel has already gained 219,000 subscribers and an incredible 178 million views. You might be wondering, what kind of videos are they actually posting? Well, they're posting underwater animal point-of-view exploration videos, the kind that make viewers feel like they're exploring the ocean through the eyes of the creature itself. And the crazy part is that these videos can be created in less than 20 minutes, using completely free AI tools. So let me show you exactly how it's done. Firstly, you need to open ChatGPT and copy my ready-made prompt that I created specifically for these sea animal POV camera videos. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT exactly as it is. Once you send it, you'll immediately see 10 different examples of sea animals you can use for your exploration video. At this point, all you need to do is choose one of them by typing the corresponding number. And if you already have a specific animal in mind, you can simply type its name instead. After the selection, ChatGPT generates all the prompts needed to create the complete video sequence. Copy the very first prompt and open a new tab, then search for Grok AI. Once the interface loads, navigate to the Imagine option. Here, make sure the option is set to create an image, and select your preferred aspect ratio, usually 9:16 for shorts. After that, paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT and send it. Grok AI now generates several realistic picture outputs that you can use as the base frame for your video. Take a moment to review them and choose the one that looks the most realistic. Once you've selected it, click on this image icon and switch the option to Make Video. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the next video prompt in the sequence. Paste it into Grok AI and generate. Within seconds, the image changes into a clean, realistic video clip. But this is where things get even better. Click on the three-dot menu and choose Extend Video. The last frame of the clip is automatically selected as the new starting frame, which allows the video to continue smoothly from where it ended. No need for screenshotting or downloading the video one by one. Now return to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, paste it into Grok AI, and generate again. As you can see, the video extends naturally without any visual breaks, creating a seamless continuation of the underwater exploration. From here, simply repeat the same process for all the remaining prompts. Each time, extend the video, paste the next prompt, and generate. When you reach the final prompt, your entire sequence will be complete. Now download the video with a single click, and everything is perfectly combined and ready to be uploaded. And with that, your underwater point-of-view exploration video is ready to go. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.